Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set Microsoft Word as the default application in Windows 11. So firstly open settings and here guys click on apps. Here select default apps. Now here search Word. Now click here. Now here you will see a list of extension like dot dot .m. So if you want to set in particular extension as Word, so click here and select Word and select set as default. I am already in using the Word as default in this all type of extension or document type. So you can set, just click here and select Word and set as default. So thanks for watching.